Long ago, when the earth was warm and green, dinosaurs lived in a beautiful place called Sunny Valley. Tall trees touched the sky, rivers sparkled in the sunlight, and colorful flowers bloomed everywhere. In this valley lived a small dinosaur named Timmy. Timmy was a young Tyrannosaurus Rex, but he was not scary at all. Unlike other T-Rex dinosaurs, Timmy did not like to roar loudly or chase others. He liked reading leaf pictures, watching clouds, and helping his friends. Some dinosaurs laughed and said, "You are too small and too gentle to be a T-Rex." Their words made Timmy feel sad, but deep inside, he believed he had something special. One morning, Timmy's best friend Luna the Triceratops ran to him in a hurry. "Timmy, the baby dinosaurs are lost near the dark forest," she cried. The dark forest was full of tall shadows and strange sounds, and no one liked going there. Timmy felt scared, but he knew he had to help. He took a deep breath and said, "I may be small, but I am brave." Together, Timmy and Luna followed the river toward the forest. Along the way, they met Benny the Brachiosaurus, whose long neck helped them see far ahead. "I can spot the babies," Benny called. "They are near the rocky hill." Suddenly, a loud storm began. Rain poured from the sky, and thunder roared. The ground became slippery, and the baby dinosaurs started crying. Timmy quickly stood in front of them, spreading his arms to protect them from falling rocks. He used his strong tail to clear a safe path, while Luna used her horns to guide the babies. At last, the storm ended, and a rainbow appeared in the sky. The baby dinosaurs were safe. Everyone cheered for Timmy. The dinosaurs who once laughed now smiled and said, "Timmy, you are truly brave." That evening, the valley gathered to celebrate. Timmy realized something important. Being brave does not mean being loud or scary. True bravery means helping others, even when you feel afraid. As the stars twinkled above Sunny Valley, Timmy smiled. He was no longer just a small dinosaur. He was a hero, and he knew he could face anything with a kind heart and courage.